Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Where was it? Yes. In verse 111 in Surah Al-An'am, we have here Ma kanu liyu minu. Okay. What do we have here? We have kana, harfu nafyin. So kana is what? Manfi. So kana, manfi. When you have kana manfi, whether it's ma kana or whether it's lam yakun, either form, the khabar is usually preceded by a lam. And some say this is lam, harfun jar zaid. One of the few places you have a harfun jar zaid. So this lam is a harfun jar. Negative, yes, correct. So you have kana, it is G. Yes, yes. Yes. So kana manfi, kana negative kana. Okay. So liyu'minu. So now we have lam yakun or ma kana. Once a kana is a negative form, anyhow, then you put a lam harfun jar followed by the fa'lun mudari'. Correct? You have the fa'lun mudari'. What we'll say here, there's an an muqaddara, mahzuf, because of which this fa'l becomes mansoob. Understood? So in summary, you have number one, in negative kana, you'll have a harfun jar zaid, and the fa'l mudari' after it will be mansoob. And that will mean not. Correct? You got the grammar. So ma, kana, or lam yakun. The khabar will have a lam, harfun jar zaid, and the fa'l mudari' will mansoob. That's the grammar. You understand the grammatic part of it? Now, so in theory, ma dhahaba zaydun should be equal to ma kana zaydun liyadhhaba, or we can say la yazhabu zaydun. In theory, but the Arabs will never have two structures, two expressions have the same meaning. So this, when you have this structure differs from the normal negative. When you have, I forgot to label this, it's called lamul juhud. Okay, it's another structure, another word for negative, like a negative lam. Okay, it's called lamul juhud. This hints and points out towards intrinsic, I don't know what you would here, that, or innate, something innate. What does that mean? If I say la yadhhabu zaydun, okay, let's say for example, if I say la yadhlimu zaydun, or ma dhalama zaydun, what does that mean? Zayd did not oppress anybody. If I say lam yakun liyazlima, lam yakun liyadhlima, what difference mean? That I can't believe it. Zayd doesn't, it's not his nature. He's not like that. So when you have ma kana and you have a lam al-juhud, it shows something that you don't expect it to happen. It's not in their nature, it's not in their personality. Okay? So ma kana Allahu liyu'adhibahum wa anta fihim. Allah is not Allah's habit, nature. I don't know if that's the right word for Allah, but the system that Allah has set is such that He will not do this. So when you have lamul juhud, it gives this additional meaning which is not in a normal negative. Do you understand? So one is the grammar aspect, that's what we call nahu. And this is ilm al-ma'ani, a part of balagha. which explains the difference in the meaning. Okay, so when we had in the previous verse, مَا كَانُوا لِيُؤْمِنُوا, it doesn't say لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. So when لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ comes, it means they will not believe, but there is no hint or indication towards them being wretched and not being able to accept ever. As opposed to, regarding these people, it says here, مَا كَانُوا لِيُؤْمِنُوا. They're not going to believe. It's not for them. So don't worry about them too much. Have you noticed the difference between two structures? Yes. I would say they were not ones to believe. So لم يكن ليظلم, you could translate it here as Zayd was not one to wrong others. That would show, I think, his innate characteristic. Or you could say here, it was not like Zayd. Or it is not like Zayd. It was, or it is not like him to wrong someone. Something like this would give a better translation. Any other questions?